Now let's get back to our Python code. So it is necessary to install the IBInsync library. Let's install the IBInsync library using pip install. Okay, so as I've already installed, it is displaying this. First time when you're installing it, it will take some time. Now let's delve into the Python script. We'll break down into step by step. So after installing the IBInsync library, we are importing the library, and then for the breakpoint, we are also importing the PDB. Now we shall import, create an instance IB class. This instance will manage our connection to IBKR. Okay, so this using this connect method, we will be connecting to the TWS. Make sure the IP address and port match your setup. We use this port number, that is the local host, which will be similar for everyone, and the default port will be 7497 for paper trading account, and client ID can be any random digit. Now let us define the contract which we need to fetch the LTP for. For now I am fetching the LTP for an index SPX and of exchange CBOE. I am defining the contract details here. Now let us first run the program. Let's see what are the contract details. As we can see, it is taking the contract for index with symbol SPX and exchange as CBOE. So at first place, we need to qualify the contract, ensuring that it is valid. For that, we use this ib.qualify contracts. Let me paste it down here. Since we have not got any error, we can make sure that the contract is valid. So once we know that the contract is already valid, we use the request tickers method to fetch the LTP and other details of the contract. So we can see that the code ran successfully, and let's print out the tickers data. So the tickers data, which has given the list of tickers of the same contract, and it has given the contract ID, symbol, CBOE, and so on, time, market data type, which we have already specified here, ask size, bid size, ask and bid, and also the last traded price. To access this, we can first access the first element of the list, and now we can call the LTP using tick.last, which is 5535.29. Let's verify in the trader TWS here. So here the last price of SPX index is 5535.29, and that's it. Finally, let's disconnect from the TWS API, so that this ensures that your connection is properly closed and resources are free. So we have successfully logged into IBKR and fetched the latest traded price of a index using Python. Thank you for watching this video.